It's Heidi with Nest Pretty, and I'll have to talk a little loud because of the ocean. Check this out. So beautiful. Nest Pretty is about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And it's not always easy. I'll just say that right now. But it's so worth it, especially if you make promises to yourself and you decide to keep them. Then it's amazing. So I'm here to do the edit. I'll do it the best I can. It was a very long day. It was a very hot day. And my goal today was to finish my work and come to the beach and just enjoy it. It took a little longer than I thought. And my knee-jerk reaction is always to just go home. I have a little bit of a drive to make. But I promised myself I would come to the beach, and so here I am. Small choice. It's so worth it. So worth it. Here's my question for you. If you have the choice, and both are super easy, what do you prefer? Pool or beach? Okay, so today's edit. I hope you can hear me. Editing your wardrobe is a daily process. And you can do that by asking yourself 3 questions. Number 1, what? Also, here's another thing. Make sure your phone is charged. It's not. What worked? What didn't work? How can I make it better? Those are the 3 questions. So I have a linen shirt, super easy breezy, and my little cool little pants. I don't know if you can see them. I was comfortable all day. It was very warm, but I was super comfortable. What worked? What didn't work? How can I make it better? Those are the 3 questions. I'm just going to do this so fast because I have no battery. Always ask what worked first so that you train your brain to look for the positive in your life, in your clothes, in your wardrobe, in your body, in your appearance. That is crucial. It's crucial. I highly recommend it. Start with what worked. Look yourself in the mirror. Give yourself a wink. Do that. What didn't work? Out of curiosity, just curious, what didn't work? And, you know, a lot of things that may not be working may boil down to, at least for me at this moment, foundations. Are all the foundations right and tight? That's a good question, if you know what I'm talking about. Number 3 is how can I make it better? Go buy some better foundations. Okay, here's the thing. Foundations only last like 3 to 4 months. They're not made to last forever. We're washing them every day, so it's not going to last forever. Go get some solid foundations. We'll talk. Meet back right here tomorrow. We'll talk about it all over again. I hope you have a fantastic evening. I am a closet coach. I help women to curate a wardrobe she loves, one season at a time. You're welcome. Bye.